Come see what you've been missing at Windbury Apartment Homes in the Medical Park. Located in San Antonio's Northwest Medical Center region, Windbury is the epitome of convenience, offering a spot from which highways, public transit, and a plethora of attractions are just a few minutes away.
You'll feel right at home in our community. Our swimming pool and playgrounds offer great recreational options for everyone. We also have a fitness center for a great traditional workout. Multiple on-site laundry centers make washing your clothes a cinch. And when the weather's nice, nothing beats an afternoon outside in our lovely picnic areas.
Indoors, Windbury homes are just as appealing.
Picture windows provide great views and plenty of refreshing sunlight. Vaulted ceilings and walk-in closets create a relaxing open space for both you and your belongings. Prepare a meal in your gourmet kitchen, or kick back and watch the sunset from your private patio or balcony. Small pets are also welcome. Simply ask us for details.
We'd love to show you around. Give our friendly management staff a call and schedule your very own personal tour of Windbury Apartment Homes in the Medical Park.